Former Minister Shankar Patil Munenakoppa has demanded the immediate release of 87 lakh rupees in pending payments and compensation to farmers who supplied green gram but have not received their dues from the state government. He strongly criticized the government for purchasing green gram from farmers who worked hard day and night to grow the crop but failing to clear their payments, pushing them into financial distress. Participating in the farmers' protest, which has been continuing for the last 16 days in front of the regional office of the Karnataka State Cooperative Marketing Federation in Nagar, Hubballi, he said that around 991 quintals of green gram were purchased from farmers of Sulla, Byahatti, Hebasur and Kiresur villages. He said that despite the purchase, the government has still not released the payments, causing severe financial difficulties for the farmers. Recalling a similar situation during the previous BJP government, he said that when Basavaraj Bommai was the chief minister and he was a minister, a similar issue had occurred in Bagalkot, Hunagund and Ilkal regions. He emphasized that at that time, the government treated the matter as a special case and provided around 90 lakh rupees in compensation to the affected farmers. Demanding similar action from the current Congress government, he urged the immediate release of the pending 87 lakh rupees payment to the farmers, questioning whether the government had become so financially weak that it could not even pay 87 lakh rupees owed to farmers. He demanded that the rightful dues of farmers from the 4 villages be cleared immediately. He also assured that he would continue to extend full support to the farmers' protest until they receive justice.
कर्नाटक के अंदर जो कावेरी नदी दो मादाई कलसा बंडोरी ये मेजर इशूज है। अभी तो हमारा कर्नाटक राज्य में ड्रॉट है बोल के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी वो अभी मान लिया है। इसके बारे में कर्नाटक भी किसान को भी रक्षा होना चाहिए। बाद में कानून के हिसाब से वो कैसा सॉल्व करना है वो मुख्यमंत्री जी बहुत अच्छा सोच के वो कदम उठाना बोल के मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है। अभी जी हमारा पार्टी के बड़े नेता भी जी बात कर रहे हैं, वो बाग के किसान लोगों के साथ कैसा खड़े होना चाहिए बोल के वो भी सोच के आगे कदम चलना चाहिए। जो भी देश चलता है कानून के हिसाब से चलता है, वो कानून के हिसाब से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी इसको स्टेप लेना है। ये मादाई कलसा बंडोरी कावेरी ये सब हमारा स्टेट का जो इच्छा अन्याय नहीं होना चाहिए बोल के मेरा रिक्वेस्ट।